Ramadan here basically we are discussing one of the topic that is city creation. City creation basically we are discussing one of the topic that is future creation. In future creation basically we are discussing one of the topic that is experiments which are basically ongoing. Which are basically ongoing. So here basically we saw that basically the Bangalore city basically who are basically doing the experiment of sand basically. So Bangalore city will be responsible for whole world sand basically. And Bangalore might be connected with set of groups also basically. So one city basically can't do anything basically. One city basically can't handle the one person basically can handle the entire company. That is not possible basically. One person basically can't run the entire big company basically. He have to take the help of employees basically. Same way basically one city that is the Bangalore city basically that basically can't handle basically the entire city basically. That is the Bangalore city. So one of the person told that in Mumbai basically the Bollywood groups are there, the software companies are there, the big businessmen basically are also there to help. Bangalore also basically have very powerful groups that is the ISRO groups. So you can just imagine the ISRO groups are placed in the Bangalore city basically. So there are basically many reasons basically behind this basically. So the ISRO basically group can be placed in Ahmedabad also basically. It can be placed in Mumbai also. But why they basically placed in the Bangalore city basically? Reason is sand basically. Sand is the reason basically for the Bangalore city. Like this basically there are many cities like Mumbai city we have taken the example. Within 1 millisecond basically the Mumbai city will go underwater. That basically will very rare basically happens because his reason is see the conditions basically. Sea water, Mumbai population, blood cells, Mumbai sea, water condition, missiles, water, Russia basically is buildings, then basically Mumbai buildings, Mumbai God place, then basically the Mumbai human nuclear power company energies condition, then basically the planet conditions, light condition we already saw. Rich people see basically no risk. Blood groups of the doctors. So each people basically are contributing their life basically. Each sector basically you can say. Rich people basically are contributing what basically to the money. Doctors basically are contributing to that what basically the blood cells basically. And Bangalore city basically is contributing what they are contributing with the sand basically. So basically, and this condition basically keeps on basically multiplying basically. That's why basically the that's why basically Mumbai will not go underwater very soon basically. That is 100% sure. But can go soon also basically. That is also basically the reason. The conditioner keeps on experimenting, keeps here basically the star basically keeps on adding basically. That's why basically daily basically the star basically keeps on adding, and Italy group basically the keeps on doing the condition, keeps on doing the condition, and they have to spend satisfy the condition also by spreading the entire sea water basically into the Italy basically. That is the certain area basically you can say. Then only basically they can have their condition fulfilled basically. So you can just imagine basically. So one of the percent of that, yeah, see the problems basically. Your problem basically is nothing basically in front of the Bangalore city also basically. in front of the Mumbai city also basically. So Mumbai, one of the person told that basically, yeah, Mumbai basically never sleeps na basically. One of the reason this is also basically. Few people says that basically the rich people basically had divided their lifestyle basically. Few people basically have their life basically in evening time, sorry, in daytime basically, and few people basically earns the money in night time basically. Reason 24 hours basically they have to be busy basically. So one of the person told that that's basically very dangerous life of the Mumbai city basically. Reason is basically, assume that basically, I will take one example. This is 1 lakh kilometer area basically, right? Assume that basically Mumbai city basically is, we'll see basically in diagram basically, that will be very easy basically to understand basically. See basically, assume that basically this is Mumbai city. See basically the example you see basically. मुंबई सिटी, ये मुंबई सिटी है, दिस इज मुंबई सिटी, राइट. नाउ बेसिकली वी विल फर्स्ट सेव दिस बेसिकली. we'll say as a untitled. This is Mumbai city, and this is basically the this area basically, that is C area. C basically the data. So one of the person told that, assume that basically the C area of the 1 lakh kilometer area basically got activated suddenly basically due to some reason basically. The Italy basically was not able to do the certain level of experiment. Due to that basically the 1 lakh kilometer area basically got activated. So how many time basically it will take to fulfill the Mumbai city? Fulfill the means Mumbai city basically will go under water basically in how many time basically. Then one of the person told that it will take at least basically, it will take 1 or 2 seconds basically. So within that 1 or 2 seconds basically, if assume that basically the Mumbai city is going under water basically in daytime basically. So in daytime basically the people basically are there basically. So they can basically exit basically Mumbai city within that city. Here basically the exit means the rich people basically can exit. Poor people basically have to die there only. Then basically what will happen? Assume that basically the Mumbai city is going under sea water in night time basically. In night time basically. So in night time basically, assume the Mumbai city is going under water basically in night time basically. Then the night people are basically there basically. They also basically can get the 1 or 2 second basically. Within 1-2 second basically they will exit the Mumbai city basically. Like same way basically the Bangalore city basically. In Bangalore city is also basically it's like this only basically. In Bangalore city also basically it's like this only basically. So next video basically we are going to see that way.